This is where beauty begins. Raw wax, pure pigment, industrial precision. Inside this factory, thousands are made every hour. Shaped, cooled, perfected. This is how lipstick is made. Every day, millions of lipsticks are produced around the world in highly advanced cosmetic factories. But behind this small beauty product lies a precise industrial manufacturing process. The process begins with carefully selected raw materials. Three key ingredients form the base of every lipstick: wax, oil, and color pigments. The waxes are transferred into large stainless steel melting tanks.
Under controlled temperatures, the wax slowly melts into a smooth golden liquid. Next, nourishing cosmetic oils are added to improve texture and glide.
The mixture begins to transform into a rich, glossy blend. Now comes the most defining element, the pigment. Carefully measured pigments are blended to achieve precise shades. The mixture is now processed through a high-speed homogenizer to remove any lumps.
This ensures the texture becomes perfectly smooth and uniform.
The temperature is carefully monitored to maintain the ideal consistency. Once blended, the liquid formula is transferred to a holding tank. From here, the mixture is prepared for molding. Precision metal molds are arranged along a moving conveyor system. The heated liquid formula is poured into each mold cavity. Every cavity is filled with exact measured precision. Once filled, the molds begin cooling immediately. The cooling process solidifies the formula into its iconic shape. After cooling, the solid lipstick bullets are carefully removed. Each piece is inspected for shape accuracy. To achieve a flawless finish, the surface is briefly flame-treated. This step gives the lipstick its signature shine. The finished bullets move toward the tube assembly line. Empty lipstick tubes are prepared separately. Automated machines insert each lipstick into its base tube. The twisting mechanism is tested for smooth rotation. Protective caps are added automatically. Now fully assembled, the lipsticks move to final packaging. The assembled lipsticks enter the automated packaging section. Each unit is positioned precisely for boxing. Branded cartons are folded and formed automatically. Lot numbers and manufacturing dates are printed for traceability. The sealed packages move into grouped cartons. Approved units continue toward shrink wrapping. Robotic arms seal the cartons for shipment. The cartons are stacked on pallets automatically. From here, they are wrapped securely for transport. Each shipment is tracked digitally through inventory systems. The products are now ready to travel worldwide. Some shipments head to retail stores.
This batch is for the downtown retail stores. Got it. These go on the top layer.
Others are distributed to global beauty brands. Behind every lipstick is a carefully controlled supply chain. Back inside the factory, production continues non-stop. Trend analysis influences color development every season. Advanced automation ensures consistency in every batch. Throughput is up. Keep an eye on the temperature.
Copy that. Efficiency is holding steady at 95%.
Good. Alert me if air filtration systems keep the environment contamination-free. Every ingredient is sourced from certified suppliers. Safety standards follow strict international regulations. Luxury brands demand premium finishing quality. Mass-market brands focus on speed and affordability. From concept to consumer, lipstick production is a blend of science and artistry.